Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to create a shared Google Drive. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for drive.google.com. So here it is. Now we can see this shared with me icon or option over here. Simply tap on this and here we'll be able to see all of the files have been shared with us. So you can choose any of this and simply click on this three dots, and to copy it simply click on make a copy, or if you want to share it simply click on share to share it. And if you want to create the shared file for others, you can simply choose any file you like to share and click on this three dots and click on share to share it with anyone, or simply copy the link to share it in any apps you want. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.